for the right vehicle? Check out 2019 Ram 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It's the hardest working truck in tow business. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, keyless entry, backup camera, stability control, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, four-wheel drive, floor mats, AM/FM stereo radio, universal garage door opener. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.